Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do high frogs here on the Reformer. So high frogs comes after short spine. So if you are looking at your online PilatesClasses.com deck of flashcards, then you'll see we have 2 cards for this. So high frogs is definitely an advancement. You want to make sure you're doing strong short spine before you add in the high frogs. You definitely don't want to be looking around at how to do the high frogs while you're doing the high frogs. This is definitely a focus thing. So if you've been doing your semicircles, your short spines, table on the 1 to chair, your knee stretches, you're really getting prepared for this, right? And so we're just taking everything you've already done with knee stretches, stomach massage, footwork, and we're putting it upside down on your shoulders. It's really what we're doing. It's also going to affect your high bicycle on the mat. So you have 2 springs. You do this after a 3rd short spine. So it's kind of like the 4th short spine, right? So I'm going to get into a short spine position, and I'm going to do my final short spine. So you go out, you go up. And instead of going all the way over, I just stay here in the up and I bend my knees and I push my legs just straight. And my goal is that my hips don't move as my legs go up and down, and that I'm not just bending my heels to my booty, but I'm moving my thighs back and forth. Super important. We don't want to just bring the heels down and up, okay? And then on the last one, you're way high. It's going to be a little scarier than most short spines. You take your legs all the way over, you bend your knees, and you roll it down. Woo. So, and then you'd go in to your semicircle and other things. If you're not able to do short spine, skip high frogs. I'm glad you're here. I love teaching you. Let's build you up to short spine. Okay, and then from there we can build you up to the high frogs. And you'll know you're ready for high frogs when you can stand in the straps, get everything over, and you and the carriage unravel at the same speed. And then when you bend your knees, your hips don't drop. If any of those things are out of your control, just keep practicing. Do other exercises that help you get strong enough to add the high frogs in. You're going to feel so much fast in those high frogs. Woo, it's a booty burner. All right. So I do love to talk about high frogs in onlinepilatesclasses.com, and sometimes we even have themes on just the frog. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you go to onlinepilatesclasses.com and join us, because we're where we do life better.